So what is marginal profit at 500? $5 per unit. Yep. So our advice would be to increase Q because we're expecting $5 profit per extra fill. We don't really know how much to increase it to, do we? Because we don't have enough information for that. So we should just keep on increasing profit until that marginal revenue sort of starts falling down. Does all this make sense? So this is actually taking what we've learned about derivatives and actually just applying it to a situation. And so I really want you to think about this, what these things mean. So here we have a derivative. So it's a rate of change. It's a slope. Okay. But we can think of it as like a speed, velocity. So the marginal profit is positive. So that means we feel like, the business is picking up, things are good. Or another way you can think about this is from a marginal analysis point of view. Like if we increase production, we increase profit, and that's good. So we should keep going. So this is just like to help you get like an intuitive understanding of what a derivative means. Okay, and that's going to help whenever you do some kind of actual problem. A lot of the problems that we're dealing with is just going to be like, I'm going to give you a formula, or I'm going to give you a graph, I'm going to give you some numbers, and you do stuff with that. But underneath, you should be in mind, what does that actually mean? Is what I'm doing actually make sense? Okay. Okay, so here's the situation, and I believe is it Jin Yu? Can you say your name, please? Jin Yu? Okay. I'm not going to do well with this, but anyway, here's your problem. Here, we've got a cost function and a revenue function for a company. And we've got our company is currently producing 3,000 units. So this is the point at which the company is at. So which one of those 4 scenarios is true? A, B, C, or D? A? Yep, I agree. Everyone see that? Good. Okay. That's the first. Matt, you're up next. So here is a situation, and now we're at this point. So which of those 4 things is true?
We're not making profits, but the break-even point's like right there, so B.
B, yeah. It's not making a profit, and they should increase production. That is true. Is Joe here?
Yeah.
Here, Joe. Did I press the button yet? I don't think I did. Oh, here we go. This scenario here.
They're making a profit, but they can decrease production.
Yep, so you're saying C.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so I think everyone sort of got the idea of these kind of things. So the main exercise is the difference between understanding a quantity and its derivative. So whether you're making a profit or not depends upon where R is in relation to C. If revenue is greater than C, then you're making a profit. Whether you should increase or decrease production depends upon marginal revenue and marginal cost. And that's the slope. So if the slope of the revenue curve is steeper than the slope of the cost curve, then you should increase production because marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, marginal profit is positive. So each time you increase your production, you're going to get extra profit. Whereas if marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue, that means by increasing production, you're going to reduce profit. We can see that right here, right? So if we go this way, R is greater than C, but by a lesser amount. Whereas if we decrease, we increase profit. Okay, that's good. I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.